What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable video. We're talking about Euro CPI news over here. And as you can see, no A-roll where I'm speaking. I just want to go straight to the point of why you're watching this video and show you a really powerful strategy when it comes to trading Euro news such as Euro USD. And yes, I have a catch. Euro news do move on DAX 30. Okay, but firstly, before we can get to the strategy, let's talk about where to find all of this news. As I said, I'm not sponsored by them, but we do, of course, use Forex Factory. It does display them nicely. As you can see, it will show you the data set, what time within your local time this takes place, and of course, the source of the news, where it comes from. They also display the stats of, or rather the actuals of the previous news on how it came out. So far, according to this, by July, we have been quite positive when it came to the Euro CPI over there. And if you really want to jump into the numbers game and you're that numbers guy, guys, Euroset, okay, or Eurostat actually now becomes the place where you can find all of this. They have all of the database, the statistical themes, interactive publications, and all of the things that you may probably need to want to understand the microeconomic, indicators that they have and so forth. Yeah, it's a bit much, but you don't need that to use it, just for those people who are just interested in the numbers game. Now, let us just jump in and just breaking it down according to the source over there. First thing that I want you to know is that this occurs every 2 months, so once in 2 months. So that, for example, if it occurred in November right now, it's going to occur again in January. So hence, I have quite delayed making a video about this one. I'll also tell you the reason why I delayed making a video about this very powerful event. I'll let you know quickly. But yeah, the consumer price accounts for the majority of the overall inflation. Usually it's the overall inflation of a country. Now it's the overall inflation of the continent, or rather, yeah, that whole area and the countries under the euro, or Europe actually, okay? And of course, inflation is important as currency evaluation. So it does really play a major role in terms of deciding the strength of the euro from time to time, and also raises central bank and so forth. All of those things, most of them find them on Eurostat in terms of the whole economic side of things. We are gonna be concentrating over here just before we go to the strategy. When I do these videos, okay, we are concentrating on the technical consistency that the news impact brings. And we use that strategy to predict the next news impact for us to be able to predict the direction of the news impact. I hope you guys understand that. Because some people say, oh, you're not using economic data. Yes, I am not using the economic data as of much when I teach on these free videos, but I teach you a very consistent way that if you are diligent enough, that after watching this video, you go ahead and back test at least 5 years back of data, then you can see and trust this strategy. That's the homework you need to do, guys. I don't teach things where you just go and apply right away. I want you to be a diligent trader. A diligent trader really does become a very profitable trader. Okay. Now, this is the strategy. It's a free strategy. It will have some limits, but then it will be quite good. It takes place most of the time whenever this, because it's typically an easy event. Why do I say that? Now, let's go into the strategy, right? The consistency of its impact is what makes the strategy. Number one, it is a trend following impact. So we have three types of impacts that we usually teach, right? We have a trend following impact. We have what we call a pullback impact or a reversal impact when it comes to news trading. And lastly, we have a whipsaw news trading impact. Okay, so in this case, this type of news occurs, and when it touches that market, when the report is released of that CPI that measures inflation, it just reacts off as a trend following. So it just supports the trend whenever it's on the market. I usually track this on the M15. So if you want to trade it M15, M5, you can just see the trend. Now, how would you know that it's following which trend? Typically, what you would do, you would see the Asian session, which trend it started off, and the market will trade against that. So if the Asian session over here, as we can see, the Asian session was bullish. When the news came up, it came out bearish. Again, here it's another example. I didn't want to put all these countless examples, but as you can see, the Asian session again here was bullish. And of course, when the market came into the Euro CPI, it was now bearish. Okay, but often sometimes it's not worth the hype. So this is why I don't post it as much. It's not worth the hype because it often moves less than 50 pips. So those moves we're quite lucky to get them in the past few months that it had moved. But usually I don't bother myself. There are other more volatile CPIs on other pairs either than the Euro CPI. But again, because of the demand, you guys, I had to do this video for you. Okay. Now, just one thing that you gotta know, guys. Again, it moves less than 50 pips. Trade against the Asian session. Where do you see the Asian session? On the 15 minutes time frame. It's a trend following. So if the trend overall is bearish, it will follow along that. Okay, it doesn't oppose the trend. Rarely does it. So if you can track the trend, it's gonna be one of your easiest buck. Okay. Now let's speak of correlation and a few tips that I want to give you over here. Now, when it comes to correlation, okay, correlation, we have positive and negative. Positive, that means we can get pairs going in the same direction, like your Euro, USD, Euro, JPY. They can be going in the same direction. That's positive correlation. Now, when we talk about negative correlation, we can talk about pairs that oppose in terms of movement. For example, what I wrote over there, Euro USD buys, DAX30 or DAX40, depending on your broker, will sell. So it goes negatively. They go opposite direction. You can use this strategy on both of these pairs. So, and again, you can use one pair to give you confirmation, then just negatively trade the other pair in the opposite direction using power of correlation. It's very good. It sticks to it. Others, they do break correlation, but when it comes to news, it sticks to it when it comes to DAX30. And if you want to make a little bit more money when trading this, DAX30 is your best option to be trading the Euro CPI. It moves a little bit longer. It's more consistent and more volatile than when it reacts on its actual base pair as like Euro USD. Okay, I hope you guys are still following. Now, again, as I say, when it comes to trading news, this is not a ticket to gamble, guys. We're not gambling over here. It's just an ordinary strategy that I use myself to trade news. So you want to do your own due diligence and make sure that you're not a gambler in the market. You approach it with proper risk management, guys. If you are not confident in the strategy, stay away. But I would rather advise backtest as much as you can on a demo. Once you're confident about this, then you can go ahead and now apply it to your day-to-day markets. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. By the way, we are running 50% off our advanced trading course. We teach more things like this, but in a very advanced level where we go into the database and the economics of it, as well as just breaking down more of our technical strategies that allow you to trade, or to be a trade specialist, even in Euro pairs, pound pairs, DAX30, NASDAQ, gold, and many other strategies that are found as well within our trading community that will support you at every step of the way in your learning journey. Okay, so if that's you, use the 50% off coupon, apply it on our website, propheticforex.com. It's only valid for this November. So if you're watching this video afterward, it will be invalid, guys. Only valid for this November. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I will see you on the next video. God bless you. This is your brother in the kingdom, Emmanuel Mwaka.